Welcome friends, welcome to my channel of unboxing visit. My name is Aslam Javed and I'm here to do a new video of unboxing the TYT TH-UV8000D. So let's get to it. So here is a box of the radio itself, and you can see its model is TH-UV8000D with dual band, dual display, dual standby, ultra high output power 10 watts, battery capacity is 36 milliampere. So let's start the unboxing. The box is actually very good. See a lot of informations on this box, as you can see on the sides and here, and on the back you can see the address of the manufacturer, and it's as usual made in China. So let's start. What do we find in the box? Here we go. Okay, that's nice. Wow. So here I think is the large antenna with the radio. I think we have two antennas in it, and it's good. Okay. So here is a power programming cable and its CD. Some user manuals about the radio. No one reads this actually, so put this side here. Okay, so this is the verification from the manufacturer that this is verified and it's working properly. Okay, cool. So here is the antenna itself, smaller antenna. As you can see, we have got two antennas. One is a longer antenna and one is small antenna. So longer is for long distance and smaller is usual for normal use. So here you can see, oh my god, the battery is really heavy. I think it should be heavy because it's 36 milliampere battery and it will give you a long battery timing. So that's good. Okay, let's keep this here. And this is the adapter, charging adapter. Let's see what's written in here. Input 110 260 AC 50-60 Hertz and 12.5 DC. So here it is. Let's keep this here. Don't know if you can see the things. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay, sorry. So here we have a hand-free, normal D-shaped hand-free with the radio, so you can use this as well. Okay, and next thing is the charging dock used to charge the radio. Here you can see you have got 2 points, red while it's charging and green while it's completed. So that's also good. Put this here. And last but not the least, the radio itself. Very carefully. I don't want to break this. Okay, before the radio, I'll show you this. We have got a belt clip also. So this is also good with 2 screws, and I think you should keep them safe, because if you don't, you will not find these screws in Pakistan. I don't know about other countries, but it's very difficult to find these screws. Okay, let's keep this here. So we've got the radio, and we'll remove the box from here, and this is the radio. Okay, this is the gel. Keep this here. Okay, let me take out the radio from the packet and let's see what we have here. Okay, this is a good radio. Just let me turn on the radio and we should check. Just put the battery and slide it up and it's locked. Okay, let's see. So the radio has turned on and it's working properly. So here you go guys. This was the unboxing of TYT TH-UV8000D radio. So I hope you like the video, and please subscribe my video channel and like the video. And if you have any comments about this video, please do comment on my channel. I hope I will reply with the questions you asked with your answers. So this was it, and I will make another video of this radio with more details and with the functions of this radio. And I hope I will also make a video of the range, that how much range does this radio covers in UHF and VHF. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.